Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today we're going to talk about 5 mods on my truck that were under $100. If you have an F-150 or if you like F-150s or you're just interested in F-150s, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more content. I try to upload everything I do to my truck and you can go back and look at all the other videos I've done. So it's really cold out today. I don't know if you can tell, I can see my breath or if you can see my breath. And there's obviously a ton of snow where I am. So we're going to start out inside the truck where it's warm. The one I enjoy best is the heated steering wheel cover. So we're going to start with that. So heated steering wheel cover looks like trash compared to the normal wheel. But it plugs into a cigarette lighter, which plugs in. You set it, you plug it in before you go to bed or whenever you get home. Then when you hit your auto start, by the time you come to your truck, the wheel's toasty warm. I think I spent $40 on that, and I'm gonna put the link up top to that video. And then we move over to hill descent. This is not an option on my truck. I have an XLT without the FX4 package. So I went ahead and ordered the button with both the traction control button and the hill descent button. And for around, I think it was $54. I'm sure you could find it cheaper if you search around. It's a genuine Ford part, and I now have hill descent control on my truck. I'll do it one more time, facing the dash. All right, let's step outside the truck to do the rest. Okay, so at the back of the truck, the next spot I've enjoyed for a long time is the tailgate dampener. I'll post my video I made of it up in the top, and I'll have all the information, and I'll put the link in the video. Then on the other side, I also have a video, we have the black exhaust tip. That was a little pricier, but it was still less than $100, and I think it really adds to the truck. So the last thing I'm going to mention, and this one was completely free as a bonus, was I took the front spoiler off the truck, the air dam at the front. And I think it really helps the look of the truck. Someone added the comments to put some push pins in those. There's some holes here, so that's something that's going to be coming up. But it gives me, you know, at least 2 or 3 inches more clearance, and I find it just looks a lot better. All right, everyone, now that I'm cold, that's my video. Thanks for watching. Once again, please don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and like and comment if you want to see more of my truck. Thanks for watching.